Hello, mon ami. I'm coming back, your Miss Toss from eComhub.net. Thank you for watching today's videos. Today, I bring another niche product for the July. This product is electronic screwdriver. So today's videos, I will tell you why this product will be the niche for the July. Just keep watching, you will have a surprise. Okay, now we are doing unboxing for the electronic screwdrivers. So it's really high, really good the package. So inside we have the menu for all English, and this is gadget. This gadget, and we can put the battery, 2 AAA battery, and easy to change and easy to buy for the battery, very convenient. And inside we have the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 20 fronts. And this one is a magnet, so you can magnet it. Can we see? So I will tell you why this product is a niche product for July. And I will do some trial for these products. So these products, the first reason is you can see the screenshot. It has very high and stable Google trend searching volume in past 12 months. And second, the cost from the eComhub.net is $13 for $13 for one entire unit. And the shipping cost is $8 to $9 per one unit. You ship to like the European country, North America, and also Asia Pacific, Australia. But you can see there is a screenshot for the selling price online for the other online stores. The price can reach like $50 to $70. So you have around like 70 to 50 margin profit to these products. So it's really profitable. Third, you have a huge potential audience, like people who has a drone is your audience. People who like DIY, people who like mountain bike, so they need to fix their mountain bike by you can use a screwdriver. And also the people who are interested or who own the computer, they will like make their own computer, so they still need this gadget. So you have very potential customers. Now I will show you how it works, and you can see the direct feelings. This is a drum, so we will screw off the drum first. I will find a proper screwdriver for it. Okay. Reverse. Very good. And you can see magnet, and here I put over there. Okay, and another one. Great. I put over there. Everything pretty good. So I will change another objective. This one. It's more bigger. I use another one. Everything. You can choose like 20 style of the front. I think this one's fit. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Wow, really good. Down. Down. Okay. Perfect. I will bring back. Everything. Go front. Down. See? Go front. Down. Perfect. Okay, e-concealers, are you excited to sell these products on your Shopify stores? If you like these videos, don't forget to press like, and don't forget to subscribe us. If you like to see more interesting or niche products, please leave the comment below, so we will give you the more videos about the niche products.